Hi friends, today I am sharing with you a fall look as I use hair orange and yellow color and pair with the jewelry, kundan and pearl finish, and I also use here the glitter eyeshadow. Here first I am going to tie my hair with rubber band and the clutcher. After that I am wearing my jewelry. Here I am setting my eyebrows. Here I am applying the foundation according my skin type and then applying contouring and setting my face with the powder. If there is need, I applied more. Here I am applying the blush and the highlights and I am blending it properly so we cannot see the harsh line in between the highlights and the blush. I am here starting with my eye makeup. I am using here two colors, orange and yellow. Orange color in the middle and yellow in the upper side. Here I am going to blend it and creating a half moon in my both eyes and then filling it with yellow color and then applying the glue and then glitter only in the half side. Here I am applying the yellow and orange color in a waterline and then applying the eyeliner. Here I am applying the lipstick with the lip gloss, little bit glitter also, and then applying the mascara and the false lashes, and we are ready to go. As you can see, my makeup is flawless.